What is up, you guys? It's Amanda. I go by Mandarin here on my social channels, and welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber. If you are new, I like to do beauty and fashion videos, so you might want to just go ahead and hit subscribe and join my Mandarin Origins family. You know, sometimes you're just going through it and you feel like, I need therapy. But let's just spend our money on retail therapy. You know, therapy is expensive, so let's just do expensive retail therapy. So that leads me right into today's video. We're not even going to waste any time because I already waited like 24 hours to film this video. I got a package from Louis Vuitton and I'm very excited about this. So a bit of backstory, I've been really looking at the Pochette accessoire. If you don't know what that is, it's like their little shoulder pochettes. It's like this big and it comes in monogram and damier azur, and it is super cute, but it's always sold out. So I had that in my wish list on the website as well as some other items. So it kind of shocked me that I ended up getting this item because this item is very unique and also brand new in the Louis Vuitton world and the collections. I was very surprised that I actually have been stalking the website and found that this was available to purchase and not the pochette accessoire that I was originally looking at. And I'm like, you know what? I might just have to do this and like do it right now because this will be sold out. This is a brand new item. You do have to stalk the website to get this item as well. So I feel really lucky that I was able to get this, and I feel like it might even just be a smidgen better than what I originally wanted. And also, not a million people have this item because it is so new. You guys, I don't have any time to waste. We are going to get right into the box because I cannot wait a second longer. My goodness. The box is so cute. Like, I never know what to do with these boxes. I think that if you buy something off my Poshmark, I might pack it in this. So I'll leave my Poshmark below. I have a bunch of things for sale on there. So right in the front, I do have some carrier information and my receipt. And here is the box. I don't know why, I just get so excited when I see these orange boxes. It's just the little things in life, you guys. This is what I like to spend my money on. I've been working very hard lately. I feel like all I do is work. Actually, this is kind of a cool box. This box does have a magnetic closure, which is actually really cool. And, oh my gosh. So here is the item. Okay, let's get, oh my gosh. Let's get right into it. And here is the bag that I purchased. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I just need to quickly inspect it real quick. But if you guys are wondering what this is the Louis Vuitton double zip pochette. It is brand new. It has the giant reverse monogram on the front. And on the back, you have the classic monogram. I love that it's like having two bags in one. The bag looks like it's in really good condition. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around the bag. So here is what the monogram side looks like. Here is what the reverse monogram side looks like. And you can see there are two pochettes, and they are connected together, so this is not going to come apart. I don't want to pull too hard, but you can see it's just two pochettes completely connected together. Really nice. You do have the black glazing around, and everything looks really nice. It feels really nice. It's got that nice texture. I was watching like 1,000 reviews on this, and so many people were talking about this beautiful part of the bag, and it is the shiny gold hardware. A lot of Louis Vuitton's items have the matte hardware, so this is really pretty. This one comes in this gorgeous shiny gold hardware. So I'm gonna go ahead and unzip here, and I've heard that these are like buttery. So buttery. I love it. Okay, so in the front, okay. So on the giant reverse side, you do have the inside, and this one is just one big pocket, and the lining on the inside is like a very, like a nice soft like velvet or suede on the inside. And it's a pretty decent size in here. And then on the other side, we have the strap. This is a crossbody bag. And on the inside, since this is like a thinner item, you can opt out of using your wallet and always just put your cards on this side. There's basically like 4 slots in here. And in the back one, I do have the SKU, and there's also a textile card in here. Keep that in there. And there's just the spaciousness of it. And then also, you have the 2 zipper compartments, and then the really cool part is they are connected, and you do have this area in the middle. So you can put your phone in it and nothing's gonna fall out of the bottom since it is all stitched. So you kind of get a 3rd compartment in between the 2. And what's really cool is the whatever is on the other side matches up on the inside. So you have the giant monogram on the inside and also the classic monogram on the inside, being 2 full regular pochettes like slapped together like a sandwich. Let's just inspect the strap here. So what made me really want this, kind of over the pochette accessoire, this one doesn't have the Vuitton leather on it, and the Vuitton is what patina is on your bag. Let me just grab one to show you. If you guys are unfamiliar with luxury in the Louis Vuitton world, this is Vuitton, and it does kind of darken to this really beautiful honey color, but over time it can turn really kind of gross looking. I don't know if it's showing up correctly on camera, but this one I bought pre-loved. You can see just how dark the straps are, and it's just something you have to worry about because if you go in the rain, if you have hand lotion on, that's what makes it turn really dark and you can get spots on it, and it's just like something you have to baby. So that's why I got this one pre-loved, because I don't have to worry about it. Somebody already broke it in for me. So I just real quickly put the strap together. It is 2 pieces, so I had to figure out how that works, but basically you have 2 pieces and you just go ahead and put it through the loop. And I put it on the tightest hole. You do have 5 hole adjustments. So I put it on the tightest one because I am quite petite, and I am also 5'4.5", if you guys are wondering when I show you it on me. You can just see how shiny the hardware is on the straps. Has the LVs in there. Just some really nice little details. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the strap to it. On the sides, you do have little D-rings that you connect to make it crossbody. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so here is the strap connected, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys. So again, I am 5'4.5", and it hits really nicely right onto my hip. I could even make it longer if I wanted to, but I think that this actually is a perfect spot for it. And then what's really cool is you can switch it up and put it on the other side, and it's kind of like having 2 bags in one. Excuse the mess on the side, you guys. I'm going to show you everything that goes in it in just a minute. But what's really nice about this bag is it's so casual. This is just something that you can wear every day, and I know I'm going to get tons and tons of use out of it. So now that you guys have gotten to see the bag, she is so beautiful. We get to see what fits inside because I know a lot of people want to know what they can fit in this. Obviously, it's a smaller bag. I don't know if you guys know anything about me, but I don't require a lot of items. I actually really like smaller bags, and to me this is not tiny. I feel like I can still fit quite a bit in it. We're about to find out, but I feel like this is definitely something for my lifestyle. I only bring a few things, and I do have my never full PM if I do want to bring more things, but this is just such a perfect daily bag. Love it. Okay, so here we have the bag, and I am going to fill it with some of my daily essentials. So first off, I'm going to put, actually I think I'm going to put, so if you still want to use your wallet, I do have the Rosaline coin purse, and I'm just going to slip that inside. It is a compact wallet, but it still takes up a little bit of room. And then we could say maybe you want to bring your favorite perfume, so we'll put a decent size, smaller perfume in there. Still fits nice. And that's about as much as I would put probably in one pouch. Closes, no weird bumping. And then another necessity, at least for me, is I love to have my sunglasses. So if this doesn't fit, it'll be a little disappointing, but this is like an everyday necessity for me. I can always leave it in my car. Most of the time I'm wearing them, to be honest. So I'm just gonna put that in there. And I am getting a little bit of bulging on this side here. But I mean, to be honest, if I'm going out and need my sunglasses, I'll probably be wearing them most of the time. So not a huge deal, but that does add a little bit of bulging. And then I would probably put my phone in the middle since it does fit. But I really don't know if I don't like how that looks. So I actually probably, realistically, am not going to be taking this because this basically takes up the entire space in the pochette. So let me fill it with something else. So I have like some Aquaphor. I love this for my lips. This is the lip gloss I'm wearing today, so I can go ahead and put the lip gloss in there as well. Sometimes it is good to have some pain relievers. So if I push those over, I have a little bit of space for my pain reliever. And then something else that is a necessity these days is hand sanitizer. Not to mention, this smells just like tequila. It's pretty disgusting. I don't know why hand sanitizers just smell disgusting now, but yeah, supply and demand. I don't know. But there is the hand sanitizer in there because you need that these days, and that's a lot better, a lot less bulging, and a lot more stuff fit in. So I don't think I would recommend bringing your entire sunglasses case, but that is not bad to me. A little bulging, but that's not bad. And I feel like it's not super heavy. And then I could still stick my phone in there. You can stick it upright, or you could also stick it sideways. It's still a little snug. I think that if you are gonna put your phone in the center or something in the center, you should really keep the other sides not super full. A lot of times I do have this in my back pocket though, to be completely honest. So with that being said, I think that I will be able to carry my main essentials pretty easily. And this is basically everything I would carry. So I could definitely leave a couple of these things behind without being heartbroken on my everyday journeys. But yeah, that's basically kind of an idea of what you can fit in the bag. There's what it looks like on the bottom. So yes, it is a thinner bag, but you know, it really depends on your lifestyle and what you absolutely need to take with you. If this is not enough, then this bag probably would not be for you, but I think that this is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for me. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoy unboxing videos, especially luxury unboxing as much as I do, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and also the notification bell to know next time that I upload. And don't forget to also subscribe and join my family. At this point, my channel kind of just looks like a purse unboxing channel, but I swear we got makeup coming, we got all kinds of things coming, and don't forget to leave a comment below so that way I can make sure I'm making content that you guys are going to be enjoying. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.